Hey my cookies! Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this dish that my Facebook cookies called Catfish Coop. We have some delicious Louisiana catfish covered in a barbecue shrimp sauce served over mashed potatoes. I know, right? Let's cook. We're going to start by seasoning our fresh catfish fillets with Cajun seasoning or Creole seasoning and some fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to do that on both sides of the fillet. Here I'm adding some oil to a cast iron skillet, and I'm going to also melt some butter. I'm using oil with the butter because the oil will keep the butter from burning. How many damn times do I need to say oil? Okay, once the butter melts, add in your fillets, and we're going to sear them on both sides for about 3 minutes per side. Now flip it back over so that the nice and pretty side is showing, and we're going to baste the fish in that butter sauce for about 30 seconds. When that's done, take them out, set them on a plate, and allow them to keep warm. In that same skillet, don't clean it out. We're going to add some more butter, a lot of butter, and we're going to melt it over medium-high heat. And here is my barbecue seasoning for the shrimp sauce. So don't worry, I'll have every ingredient included in that link in the description box. So click that. Now we're going to pour in some Worcestershire sauce into that melted butter, then sprinkle in that good barbecue seasoning and mix it together really, really well. Then we can add in our minced garlic. You know my rule. Go ahead and move that around for 30 seconds. Don't burn it. And you will have something that looks like this and smells incredible. So now we're going to add in our fresh shrimp. I got the largest shrimp I could find, so just use whatever size you like. And we're going to cook it for about 1 minute per side until they're nice, plump, and juicy. Be careful not to overcook them in the sauce, okay? And once that is done, guys, look at these shrimp. And man, that sauce, listen, okay, now it's time to serve, guys. Let's eat. I served my fish and shrimp over garlic mashed potatoes, and guys, it's so good. Don't be stingy with the shrimp. Pile them on top and cover them in this sauce. The recipe link is down there in the description box. Thank you so very much for watching my cookies. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe. It's time to eat. So until next time, be blessed.